YouTube was good. It's your boy, Agnel, encouraging you to try something new. It is June 19th. It is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Thank you, me. You're welcome, me. It is about 5:30 in the morning, and we going skydiving today. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Just another adrenaline-y kind of thing, adrenaline kind of activity. This is something I wanted to do for a hot minute. I've seen other people do it. I'm like, dang, I want to do it. So today is the day. Today's a perfect day to do it. We in Phoenix. We in the valley. Rally the valley. Rally the valley. Yeah, it's going to be me and my sister skydiving. It's going to be dope. Let's go. Let's go. Are you nervous? On a scale of 1 to 10, how nervous are you?
9.
9? Dang.
Yeah,
I'm at like
I'm
a 4. I'm not even like that nervous.
I'm freaking scared.
I'm ready to go.
It's fun.
It's gonna be dope. It's gonna be dope. Let's go. Let's get buddy. Yeah, buddy. She's about to like shit her pants, man. This is crazy. We getting it done. Let's go. You was all hyped too when you said, yeah, let's go skydiving. Let's do it. I thought I was gonna be doing this by myself. Dad thought I was gonna be doing that by myself.
Well.
Let's get it. Jumped off a cliff in Sedona last week. Shout out to everybody that came with me, David, Samira, Ari, and Ashley. Yeah, I was pretty fearless too. That's some crazy shit. But I don't know, I guess the more adrenaline things that I do, the less fear and anxiety I'm going to try something different. So again, it's like keep trying different things, you keep putting yourself out there, you keep getting used to the anxiety and the adrenaline that's flowing through you and that's telling you not to do that thing that you're about to try. So you just kind of break down that wall, that barrier of fear as you keep doing more and more things. So try new things, keep doing it. But other than that, I'm ready to go. I'm excited. I'm ready to go. Like my sister said, what a way to start the birthday off. I mean,
6 a.m. June 19th.
6 a.m. June 19th. We ready to go. Wake up and go.
Let's go.
We wake up and we go. So I'm hyped. Well, let's keep going. I was up late night balling, counting up hundreds out of thousands. We here, we made it, we ready to go. Yo, my arms look good.
All right, let's go. Triple. Whoa. It's raining.
Is that rain? Oh, shit.
It's raining. What?
It might time.
Oh my God. I can't believe we're doing this.
So we are here but there's literally nobody except for the other fellow skydivers. There's 2 of them, but there's nobody here. This is pretty annoying. Whatever, we'll see what happens. All right, I think we see some skydivers right now. Let me see if I could show y'all. I can't even see them. Oh, here they go, right here. Bang. See that little dot?
He all the way over there.
He's flying. That's crazy.
Have you put your stuff right in here? I'll take that out. Just remember, when your stuff's not going to be in these t-shirts, that way your phone's
Let's go! Look at it. We almost there. We almost there. Let's go. These guys just came down. But yeah, it's going to happen. Say what's up, Sam. He didn't say what's up. That's okay. That's okay. Sam's a real one right there. He's a real one. Let's go.
Boom! How's it going? Who we got here?
This
Natalie.
is Agnel encouraging you to try something new.
What is that? What are we trying?
We're trying to skydive today. Let's
It's his
go.
birthday.
Oh,
All right, happy birthday.
Special
All right.
occasion. Happy birthday.
27. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Any shout outs to friends or family?
Shout out
Shout out to everybody in Jersey.
everybody.
Yeah.
Shout out to everybody in Flagstaff. Shout out to
Okay.
everybody that wished me a happy birthday already. Shout out to all the fathers out there.
Rock on, all right.
I like that.
Father's
Father's
Day.
Day. And shout out to the military. Thank you guys for your service.
Absolutely.
Appreciate
Well
you
done.
guys. We're gonna have lots of fun today.
Sweet. Have a great jump, guys.
Let's
See you
go.
later.
All right.
sliding on my feet. It's still right. And if we sit, I'll just say sit. All right, my good friend. What'd you think of that? Was that fun?
Oh my God, that was incredible. That was incredible.
Awesome,
Woo!
awesome. Thanks for coming out, my brother. We will see you
Appreciate
again.
you.
Thanks
Yeah,
for coming to
I'll be
Cascade.
back. Yes,
We're
let's
outta
go.
here.
We'll definitely be back for this one. Let's go. Wow. That was intense. That was insane. That was extreme. That was everything. I literally can't stop smiling, bro. It was so fun. Knots, what'd you think?
No, it was the best experience ever. I'm so hyped. I'm so happy I did it. Even though I was scared.
She's really scared.
I still did the damn thing. That shit was so dope.
Oh my goodness. As soon as like,
so happy.
as soon as I seen you, because you have to like, you got to tilt the plane sideways. So as soon as she dropped out, I was like,
Dude.
oh.
I thought this shit was fake. As soon as he leaned forward, I said,
I was like, nah. I was like, in my head, I was like, hold on. I'm not ready. Yeah, I'm not ready. I was not ready. I was not ready. And then he just, whoop. But you get that whole like roller coaster, my stomach, you know, butterflies, all that whole experience. You get all of that shit as you're going down and the parachute flying down. That shit's dope too.
Hands down the best. I'm so happy I did it.
So glad. And I was like, I didn't even like think to skydive for my birthday, but she's the one that was like, why don't we just skydive?
Why did I even bring it up? Why did I bring it up?
That shit.
No, it was lit. It was lit. I'm happy I did.
10 out of 10. Again, this is why you try new things, because it's like you don't know how much fun you're going to have if you just try something. You got to try it. Got to try, yo. Try new things. Try new things. Let's go. Let's go. We still got another excursion on the way. We're going to the gun range. I'm going to bring my dad. This is my first time for my dad. We're going to have fun with him. Going to be messing around with him. We gonna kill it.
Good birthday.
Let's go. 27, baby.
That's how you started
June,
off.
baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Dad wants to shoot an AR. He wants to shoot an AR.
That's the only way to shoot.
That's
so that you don't miss.
The only way?
Yeah. You're sure that you're not gonna miss.
Alright. Fair enough.
60 bullets in 1 minute.
60 in 1 minute?
Yeah, 60 for a minute.
What gun are you talking about?
Huh?
What gun is that you talking about?
I'm talking about AR-15.
Oh, okay. I don't think they have ARs. They have M4s, which is basically it's the same thing. Yeah, that's like the standard military gun.
Oh boy.
Standard. So we're gonna have fun with this.
We'll see.
It's his first timer. So we're gonna shoot.
Blow up things.
Let's go. That's it.
This one is better than the other one.
You like the other one better?
I like this one.
You gotta check it out.
20 yards.
I'm nice! 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. One of them went missing.
Somewhere else?
One of them went missing. I counted that one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
How long have you been?
Oh no, 17's here. 17's here. Dad, what would you think? What'd you think? First timer.
Well, I missed my shot.
You missed your shot.
That's all I can remember.
Tomb Raider with the Glock. Don't mess with me. You don't want no problems. I jumped out of a plane. And I'm out.
That's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button for your boy. I'd greatly appreciate it. I had a great birthday. Shout out to my family for visiting me. For those who have never skydove or shot a gun before, I would 100 out of 10 recommend skydiving and shooting guns. Just try it. It is so much fun. It's your boy Agnel encouraging you to try something new. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.